everyone, welcome back to my channel Genius Minds. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about X-linked inheritance pattern. So when we talk about the X chromosome, in females, there are two X chromosomes. When we talk about in males, there is a presence of a single X chromosome. So now, in the chromosome, there are different genes, and these genes code for different protein which results in different physical appearance, or it can lead to some protein which are involved in different processes. Now, if there is any defect with respect to this X chromosome, means what? There will be defect in the gene and there will be the synthesis of non-functional protein. Now it is found that in some cases, like in the case of color blindness and in the case of hemophilia, the disease is inherited from the parents to the offspring in the X-linked manner or the X-linked pattern. So now how it is transferred or how it is transferred from parents to progeny, that we are going to see with the help of a cross. Now let us take a cross over here. So the parents, the female, the male. Now in the first case, the female is having the affected X chromosome. In this example, we are going to talk about color blindness. Color blindness is a condition where an individual is not able to distinguish between two colors, that is red and green. This is happening due to the defect in the eye cells. So now how it is transmitted from parents to offspring, we are going to check. Now in order to show the mother is affected, so we have to represent it with a small c as a superscript. So the condition when both the X chromosomes are affected, that means the mother is affected. The condition where in females, where both the X chromosomes are affected, that female will be considered as an affected individual, means she is suffering from color blindness. In males, since there is a presence of only single X chromosome, so even that if the X chromosome, the single X chromosome is affected, the male is considered to be affected individual. Now, when we look at the gametes over here, so the gametes will be XC, XC, and here XCY. Now, when we talk about the F1, so let us do this cross. It will be XC, XC, XY, XC, XC, XCY. So now when you will look this cross carefully, it is found that this female is affected since both the X chromosomes are affected. This male is affected, both the X chromosome are affected. This female is also affected and this male is also affected. Means if both the parents are colorblind, so for sure the progenies, the children are going to be colorblind. So this is the first case. Now we will look into some different example where we are going to see female. In female, only one of the X chromosome is affected. So how are you going to represent it as XC, X, where only one X chromosome is affected, and male is affected, means what? The X chromosome is affected. So this female is considered as carrier because only one X chromosome is affected. The male is affected. Now when we cross this, so what are we going to get? Quickly we will do the cross. So here you will see the F1 will be XC, XC, XCY, XCX and XY. So now in this case, if you will see, this female is affected. This male is affected because X chromosomes are affected. This female is considered as carrier because only one X chromosome is affected and there is one normal male. So this is how the X-linked inheritance pattern is taking place in the disease of color blindness. Now the few important points what you have to learn from this X-linked inheritance patterns are, it always follow X-linked recessive pattern. Means there should be the presence of homozygous recessive gene. Recessive gene means in females, when we talk about in female, there should be the presence of the recessive gene in both the X chromosome. This is the affected female. Now when we talk about the male, single X chromosome, if it is carrying the recessive gene, it will be considered as affected. But in females, if only one of the X chromosome is affected, then she is known as carrier. So these are the few important points about the X-linked inheritance pattern, and here we have discussed about the case of color blindness. Same thing happens in hemophilia also. Hemophilia is known as bleeder's disease. Another example is hemophilia, that is known as bleeder disease. So what happens in this hemophilia disease? If there is a single cut in the person who is suffering from hemophilia, there is not a proper synthesis of the clotting factor and there will be the continuous flowing of the blood, and it can even lead to the death of an individual. So these are the sexually inherited diseases. So if the X chromosome is affected, so it is surely going to pass on to the progenies. So that's all for today's video. Thank you very much.